What's up, y'all? I thought, oh wow, look at that down the street there. That's old Newark. I see those metal frames, the bridge that carry the trains over the Passaic River. Here it is, y'all. We're going to Hanna's Deli and Grill today. This was not a suggestion by anyone, but that's what I had a craving for, man. It's a deli sandwich, right? A deli sandwich from Hanna's. Look, the New York Times just walked up on us, y'all. What's up, man?
Hey, I was just looking at a video this morning.
This is the guy right here, y'all. Look him up. The New York Times.
Oh, you did Good Eats.
I did Good Eats.
Soul food.
Good Eats, yeah, real good. You been there?
This morning. No, I haven't.
Okay, no, yeah, it was delicious. It was really delicious. I'm gonna go in here and get a sandwich.
Oh, that's a steal.
Did you get a sandwich, bro? Did you eat? Did you eat?
Nah.
You didn't eat nothing?
Nah, I'm looking for my stuff.
Is it good? You had it before?
I eat here all the time. You gonna right there.
Oh, yeah?
He gonna put you on YouTube.
That's all right. Oh, get my name right. Black.
Black.
That's it.
BLACK. That's Black right there. Word is born, y'all. He said the food is good here. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and get us some type of turkey sandwich. I got an order over here, y'all. Let's see what we gonna get. Black made his order already.
Two bagels.
Two bagels. Alright, I think I'm gonna get some type of turkey sandwich. Hoagie. Turkey club? Alright, we're gonna get a turkey club. Hey, what's up? What comes with the turkey club?
Bacon, lettuce, tomato, mayo, turkey breast.
That's what I'm getting, man. I'm gonna get that, the turkey club.
What kind of bread you like?
Black suggested that. Say again?
What kind
of bread you have?
White, whole wheat, rye bread.
You know what? Give me rye.
Okay. All right.
Yep. All right, man. Good meeting you, Black. That's it right there. We getting the turkey club with rye, y'all. And then I think I'm gonna eat upstairs there, you know? They got the steps here, go up. I think I'm gonna eat, then I don't hear any music happening here. But this is it, man. This is the spot. Yo, look at these big donuts. All right, to give y'all a kind of picture of how big those donuts are. Look at my hand. Those are some big donuts. Those look like the donuts I used to eat when I was a child, man. Got the turkey club right here, y'all. Got the turkey club. Looks like a little coleslaw in the middle there. I got extra mayo, and of course, you can get a deli sandwich without the pickle. Right, we right there, y'all. Looks good. We are at Hanna's. I believe the address is 14 Park Street here in Newark, New Jersey. Look, y'all, you know I got it. I got a turkey club here.
I got some extra mayo, and y'all know I love pickles, man. Look out the pickle. I love pickles, yo. I love pickles. I'm gonna try not to smack as much. We're gonna do half and half. Half smacking for those that don't mind smacking, and then for those who don't.
This right here, it's a piece of the turkey club. See, it's got that bacon, it's got that turkey on there. Got the lettuce, tomatoes. I'm gonna pull this toothpick out of here, bite into it. This is delicious.
The thought I just had, right, is some of y'all are probably like, yo, everything is delicious, but this is delicious.
I taste a hint of, I taste the turkey. The turkey tastes nice and fresh. I taste the crunchy bacon. I taste the lettuce, tomatoes. And the mayo, as soon as I bit into it, I love mayonnaise, y'all. I'm the type of joker who can eat a spoonful of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, mayo. Out in Ohio, they have that salad dressing. We don't want that. We want real mayonnaise on our sandwiches, right? This is really good. I got my water. I'm trying to watch my sugar intake. But right now, I wish I had ordered like a soda. But I'm glad I got water. Also have the coleslaw here. You know what I don't have? I don't have a fork. So remember to get a fork. They're down in front of the register to eat the coleslaw. We're gonna figure it out. Look, that cup is flexible. We're gonna figure out the coleslaw. Biting down on that crunchy bacon right now. It's delicious, y'all. I'm gonna leave the ends for later so I can bite into another piece. Just to give you, they cut it in 4 pieces. Look how much turkey's in there. And then the bacon right there is at the top. You see that right there? Got the bacon at the top, lettuce, tomatoes. Let's see what's after the. It's the tomatoes and the lettuce, mayo on rye bread. I had to go old school with them. And the pickle. Well, what's that, a half of a pickle? Or was that a quarter? That's about a half of a pickle. I gotta clean my mouth. Because y'all gonna be telling me when I have stuff on my mouth. You know what? This is missing. It's delicious, don't get me wrong. Pepper. I got pepper. Let's put some pepper on it. Ooh, my sandwich falling apart. It's official, y'all. It's official right here. I'm eating half of it. Half of it is filling me up. I still need to taste this coleslaw and check it out. I could have bought one of y'all out and split this sandwich with you guys, and I'm still about to be full off of half a sandwich. I think we should have a meetup with our patrons. I want to thank all of our patrons, all 2 of them, for signing up for Patreon and supporting the production of these videos. I also want to thank all of our subscribers. I want to thank all of our subscribers. Last night we went over 3,000 subscribers, so thanks to you for watching these videos, for you liking and sharing the videos. We appreciate it. Here at Hanna's, I think that's it, man. Like, subscribe, tell a friend. Matt DV. Eating at Hanna's restaurant. I'm sorry, Deli. Hanna's Deli on Park Street, 14 Park Street, Newark, New Jersey. I'll see you guys at the next one. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. Peace. Like the edges of the bread, pretty hard. I'm gonna turn that into a spoon. Let's see. The coleslaw is delicious.